Want to learn something new but don't know where to start? With Saarthi's Coach Mode, you get a clear, personalized roadmap to guide your learning journey. Coach Mode doesn't teach you directly. It creates a structured roadmap, so you always know what your next step should be. For example, let's say I want to learn Python. I just select Python as my goal, and Saarthi instantly creates my roadmap. It starts with writing my first program and learning variables. As I move forward, it unlocks loops, functions, and even practice exercises to strengthen my skills. And it's not just for Python. You can create a roadmap for any skill like business, design, data science, or even music. Each roadmap is tailored to the subject you choose. With Saarthi's Coach Mode, you never have to plan your learning path alone. Just set your goal, get your roadmap, and follow it step by step. Turn on Coach Mode today and create your personalized roadmap for any skill you want to master.